Hello everyone, welcome back to MuleSoft-TechZone. This is Raman Lingam and this is in continuation of our series on how to become Agentblazer legend. So you have seen like we should be starting up with like learn about authentication for topics and action. That is what we were in. I just wanted to let you know like I had some trouble with this particular module and I was not able to complete that one because like I don't know the issue, but I tried like multiple times and it's not working out. You can see I have completed 66%, but I wanted to try again because like I might have missed something, so you might face the same issue. So what I have tried to do is like you can see like I have already completed this, but I am retaking this step. Okay, for that what you need to do, you need to create your developer account again. Okay, so I got email again, so you can use like multiple developer accounts. If you face any issues like this, please do retake the project. Okay, let me do that now. I have completed first two modules, but somehow there was an issue which I was not able to figure it out. So I am redoing that and there is nothing wrong in doing that. All right. So let's see how it goes. So it's done. I have created this. Next thing you need to do is like scroll down. This was my agent auth was my previous one, but now I need to connect to a New York. So click on connected New York and MuleSoft-TechZone at the agentforce.com. Click on login, save it, allow, yes, save it. Okay, now you are like again you need to retake this step. Click on retake this step and this one, so launch it. All right, so scroll all the way up again and see what we need to do. So sign me up, then we need to connect to the org, and we need to change the playground name. So please read all the instructions again. Now what we need to do is like we need to change the playground name. So for that what you need to do is like go to three dotted button. There are many orgs. If you want you can delete your previous org, old orgs. Okay, but or else like please keep a track of your usernames. So click on manage orgs. So they are asking us to rename. So this is my current developer edition that I'm using. So you have to rename this with what they have asked us is rename this auth with agent auth org. All right, so let me check if this allows, because I already have one agent auth org. So I am trying to disconnect this. So let me disconnect this. Perfect. So that's it. I think we have clicked on this and clicked on save. We are done with this. Next thing that you need to do is like you need to add your email to the Einstein service agent user. So for that it's very simple. Again, I hope we are in the right one. Let me double check on which profile we are in. So let me block. If I don't know, best way is like to launch again. Right click, close all your other tabs and go back. So for that we need to first go to setups, setup, and then users. So go to users and we need to edit the user of Einstein service agent user. So search for Einstein service agent user, which is this. Click on edit and you have like you can see the email is like @example.com, but we need to verify, we need to use the right one. So I am using my email ID here. Go back to the user and paste a valid username. You should not be giving a invalid email, because like there will be an email that will be coming to you to authenticate it. So click on save, click on OK. You should be receiving an email soon. So I got an email. So they are asking us to finish the chain. So all that you need to do is like click on this link, continue, and you're done. So that's how you need to authenticate your email. So we are done with this part. So click on verify step to earn this point. So what we are doing in this module is basically we are renaming an existing org and we have added our email. So this step should be like pretty much simple. Once this is done, we can go to the next unit. Again, if you go to the next unit, you can see like this org is there here, which I have created today. So scroll down and start doing. Please read the extract instructions. So if you scroll down, it is directly going like test with and without authentication, but I need to complete this module like add variables and filters. I have done this already, but as I said, like I had some issues, so you can see here. So you can always click on retake this step, and now we have to go. So you know this drill, we need to turn on everything. So go back, turn on. So if you see agents here, if you type agents, you are not able to see. Or let me go to like click on setup. If you closed all your tabs, I will close all the tabs. And in quick find, if you are not able to see agents, that means we haven't set up the Einstein one. So first you need to do is like we have to do like Einstein setup, turn it on. So I'll turn all on, and even after turning on, if you see like if I search for agents, it won't find. So what you need to do is like refresh the page and then search for agents, Einstein agents. If you're not able to see this, do the drill again, refresh, everything is on. Agents, now you can see the Agentforce agent is popping up. So if you're not finding Agentforce agents, that means that your Einstein setup was not complete. So click on Einstein service for agent, toggle this button to on, and even toggle the default ones here, toggle agents. Okay, we have done that part. Next thing that we need to do is we need to activate some flows. All right, so for that, very quickly go to your quick find here on the same page, go to flows, click on flows, and we need to click. They are asking us to click on the last modified column heading, and they in the brackets they mentioned like last column. Okay, this was a bit confusing with the name, so click on last modified, this one, and you will see get orders by contact. So for me it is showing like get orders by contact here. Once I enable this one, if you don't find that, it's fine, it can be like anywhere here. So you can do like Control F and search for like get orders by contact here. So it will, you can search by this way also. Okay, now click on get contacts by order. You can see the current status is not active, it is not checked in, but what we are going to do here is like activate. So click on activate, done. Go back here, refresh this page, you should be seeing like activate here now. That is good. And we need to activate one more flow, that is like get contact flow. They're saying like should be in the 9th or 10th in the list. I usually what I do is like Control F, I do this stuff, click on get contact and activate that as well. So we are basically activating two flows. Unless and until, the reason for activating the flows is like unless and until you activate the flows, you won't be able to use these flows in the agent action. So they should be active to be used in your agent action. So we are done. Close this web browser and go to the step. They are asking, it's fine. Now we need to modify a topic and action. Very simple. Again, I'm already in this place, but it's fine if you want to do it again. Like go setup and search for agents, click on Agentforce agents, and you need to choose like CloudKick service agent. Let me go to CloudKick service agent and open in the builder. So now you are in like Agentforce builder, and this is called like plan. Okay, PLAN, plan canvas. All right, and go back and in the topic section click customer verification. So please read every instruction very carefully. So I'm going here and I'm selecting this topic called customer verification. So where is customer verification? Here, click on customer verification and go to this topic action and click on send email with verification code action. So this topic action and click on send email with verification code. Now that you are in Agentforce Legend, Agentblazer Legend status, you should be able to like identify like where the things are, like where we can go to add a agent action or how to add a topic. Okay, that is very important. So once that is done, we need to adjust the output values. So read the instructions carefully. Like it says like 3, that means the third step, and it said like output. So scroll down in outputs 1 2 3, it's authentication key here. What they're asking us to do is like click on search variables, add new custom variable, ensure they are saying ensure name is, which means like it is already present. Okay, ensure the name is this, ensure name is this. Okay, data type is text. So what I'll do is like go back, search for variables, click on new custom variable. So you can see name and the API name are proper. We need to add the description. So copy this, go back, add the description. The data type is text and they asked us to leave unchecked for both of them, so I am using that. Click on save. So if you are getting sorry to interrupt, please ignore that. That should not be an issue. All right. So go back, click on save, then go to the fourth one for the customer ID instructions. So I'll just copy the description because I think customer ID will already be populated. So go search, click on new custom variable. You can see name and API are already generated. Enter the description. They are asking both of them to be unchecked and the data type is text. Save it. You will get this error. Please ignore. Go back, click on save. We have done that. Is next thing is like customer type. Go to search variable and do the same thing. So I'm just copying the description because the name and API name might have already been like populated, auto populated. Yes, it is. Go back, the data type, let me check if it is text. Yes, done. Save. Ignore this message again. Go back, save. Now we are done with this particular action. Now go back to view action so that like you will be back with list of actions. And next thing that we need to do is we need to adjust the verify customer. Okay, so go to verify customer. Because we are verifying customers, it's basically that we need to adjust for the inputs. So scroll down, go back. They are asking us to adjust the inputs here. So first one is authentication key, then they are asking to search the variable and select it. So go back, search for variable and select authentication key. Here we are not creating anything, but we are selecting the authentication key that we have used in our previous action. We have created that. So authentication key. And then the third one, they didn't ask to do anything for the second one. So the third one, be careful on that because second one was customer code. So please don't try to add that. Be careful on that and select the customer ID. So I'll go to the third step, assign a variable. I'll select customer ID. Go back, do the same thing for the fourth one, customer type here. So go back, this is customer type. Careful on the names. So customer ID and customer type are two different things, and select the customer type. So here there is no option to save it. Like whenever you are selecting, you can, it is auto saved. If you want to delete, for example, if you by mistake you have tried to select a different one, okay, you can just click on cross button and select again. Okay, this will be saved automatically. So this is done, and then map the verify customer action with variables. Okay, next step what we need to do is go to the search variable. So for the first one in the output for verified instructions, search variable, and we are going to add a new custom variable. Again, I'll copy only the description. Go back, go scroll up. Here is verified. Go to map to variable, new custom variable. Names are correct, API name is correct. Put the description and see if the type is boolean. Yes, it is boolean, and leave the rest of them as unchecked. Ignore this error. Go back again. In my previous challenge when I tried to do this, I had some mistakes, so please be careful on like reading each and every instruction. Don't miss anything. Okay, so because like I was like scrolling down with creating a filter, but I missed the second step. So in the customer ID, again search variables, use verify customer ID. In the second one, customer ID, map to one, you can select already like verify customer ID, which is already created for you. So this is done. We are good. Now that what we need to do is like we need to create a filter. For that, what you have to do is like go to the context here. So context is on the left side. Click on that, and then you need to go to the filters tab and click on new. So go to the filters tab here and click on new. So the names and API names should be copied. So go back. So name is, copy this, paste it. Automatically API name is created, and please make sure that it is correct. And we have to select all conditions are met and verified equal true. Okay, go back here. So here all conditions met are like and click on verified, choose verified, operator is equal, and this is like true. Click on save. go back here and save it, and they are asking us to go to the topics. So go back to the topics, and we are in the page like where we have edited last time. Go back, go to the topic details. All right, so that's it in the clicks. So they are asking next thing, it's not done, sorry. Go to topics details, then they are asking to like click on the case management. So click on case management, then click on this filter icon here, search for filter, and click on is verified and save it. This is what they wanted to have. It's basically we are filtering out. Okay, so we are done here. That's all they asked us to do. They ask to activate anything? Now that you are activated, we have activated the flows but not the agent action yet. So until they ask you to do, please don't do that. We have just activated the flows, we edited some input and output variables, we mapped some ones, like we created some variables. So that is the part, that is what you need to do in this particular module. So this is completed. So tackle the next step. This is where it went wrong, though it's like easy ones. I don't know what I missed here, but let's see what's happening over here. So go back to your flow, refresh your browser twice, click on this icon here so that you will have your plan canvas. So this is one of the questions that you might get in your certifications, like what is this called, like plan canvas. Now we have refreshed and they are asking me to do this step. So we are asking like show me all my open cases. For this, what it is asking is like to provide our username. Again, please try to read everything here, like how the topics are selected and how the actions are called. Now you can say like this is my email ID. Now once we do this, it will say like, hey, please enter the verification code. All right, so where to get this verification code is, once you get refreshed here, so it will be in your plan canvas. So verification code, if you scroll down, here is the output. Here within output you will have this verification code. Copy that and paste it, click on enter. So it says like verification is successful, you can now proceed with the steps. Okay, it says like let's connect at your open case, and unfortunately I don't have to access to details. Okay, you can see here it says like if your verification goes is same if the agent suggests to verify again, or if it is not giving up, if it is not giving you all the details for open cases, what you can do is you can ask to show the open cases again. So don't worry, for few of you, because this is AI agent, for few of you probably it will show these details. You can see like now I am able to see my open cases, but few of you might get like the open case details for the very first ask. But if it is not giving, please try to ask again. So it says like do you want to do anything else? So I'm saying like I want to add a comment to this case. Before doing this, I know whatever I'm showing now you might not be seeing in your this particular module, but I just wanted to show you something. So what you can do is you can just click on launch so that it will open the new tab. I wanted to show how to go to cases. So click on this apps and search for cases, click on cases. So this is like recently we would go to all open cases because we are working on the open cases, and you can see like this is the case that we are working. So currently you have like whatever you see here, it's like 7 hours ago it is created, and we are asking to add a comment. So let's go here and say like, hey, add a comment to this particular case, asking like please email contact owner. Where are we? Again, don't miss any of the steps here. Yeah, this is where we are currently in the 10th step. It says like the comment has been successfully added. So if you go back to the case and refresh, you can see like please email the contact owner on an update on this case. So it has added successfully. So that is what we have verified. Next thing is refresh the button twice. Let me go refresh the button twice. It says like the agent now has access to all the actions under the case management topic and can now present case information. So let me refresh it again, go back, and they are asking us to like, hey, I would like to cancel my order. So go back and ask to cancel the order. So it's saying like no problem, I can help you, but what is your email? So you will say like my email is this. So it's saying like making progress. It says like I found 2 orders associated with account. For few of them you might not get this message instantly. If you're not getting and it is saying like I couldn't find any open cases, please try to resend this particular statement again to get that. All right, so go back again I'm reiterating, like if you're not seeing this message instantly, you can always try to redo these steps. All right, so now I'll say like please cancel 1 2 3 4 order. And sometimes it might, if agent is trying to authenticate your identity, please put that verification code, how we have done this. So it's a, we are saying like please cancel order 1 2 3 4. It says like the order has been successfully cancelled, is there anything that I can assist with you? So we are done with this part, and make sure the testing is always done in sandbox, blah 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 blah. So this is done. So you didn't add authentication to order cancellation. The agent didn't put a prompt for you to authenticate, so that is fine. Next, what we are going to do is like we are adding security to the private actions. All right, so the cloud clip manager wants to encourage the customers feedback, to give like feedback and all. Okay, again please read everything, I'm not going to explain everything here. Click on the customer survey participation topic. So go back, go to the topic details, customer survey participation, this is what they are asking us to go, and go to this topic action and click on collect user survey. So go to this topic action, go to collect user survey here, and go back, and they are asking to add something like feedback collected in the output variable, search, new custom variable, and just save. So read instruction very carefully. So we are here. All right, go scroll down, they are asking us to go to feedback collected. I am here, feedback collected, and click on search variables, new custom variables. They are asking you to just save because it is like automatically populated. I am doing that, it is saved. Then what you need to do is like you need to click on the context icon to create a new filter, and click on filters tab. So go to context icon, and you're already in the filters tab here, and then click on new and add the new filter here. So click on new, go back, give the name and API name here, then conditions meta like feedback collected equal to true. So that's what we are going to do. So for that, feedback collected is here, equals operator, and value is true. Click on save. That is done. Then we have to go back to the topic action, view action, and topic details. That means we wanted to go back to our list of topics. We are here now. Then what we need to do is we need to select a new topic, that is customer survey participation. So click on this, go to this topic action, and click on like get gift card. So I am click on get gift card, and what I'm trying to do is like click on the add filter and select feedback collected. So filter, search filter, and feedback collected, save. That is done. So next thing that you need to do is test it. So refresh it, go back, and now what they are asking to refresh twice, so I'm doing that. Click on this icon so that you will be seeing the plan canvas. Now I'm saying like, hey, I would like to get a gift card, can you send me the survey? This is where I got stuck. It says like, great, you love to do, and this was not coming for me earlier. I got all the error that I showed you before, so that's the reason I had to do everything again. So you can see everything looks good for me here. Then you can say like respond yes, click on S, type S. So they have done. So they are asking to click on survey link, blah 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 blah. Then they are asking like the survey code is 1 2 3 4 5. So go back here. The agent makes instruction, this is done. The agent will survey instruction and ask for your survey code. Please copy paste the survey code. So I'm saying here, this is my survey code. So it's like, thank you for completing the survey, here is your $100 voucher, and they have given you the coupon code here. So that is simply awesome. If the agent tries to authenticate again, you know what to do. The agent will now issue the gift card code again. So this is done, and they are not asking me to activate this yet. Let's see if we wanted to activate, but verify this step. So this is where I got stuck and I had to do it again. So even if you're facing some issues like this where you are stuck in between, it's always good to create a new developer account and redo these modules. There is no harm in doing that. It's just a practice. We all do mistakes. That should be fine. I probably missed some mistakes, but you can see here like we have completed this module. So here basically what we have done is like we have edited, we have added some securities, some added some filters, deployed the agent and tested it. So go back to the trail and scroll down. We have completed deploy agent authentication, and next thing is like super fun part, the super patch stuff. So for super patch, make sure that all these modules, you can see it should be like completed status, and if you're not done any one of them, you have to do that to complete this one. So let's see you in the super patch status.